Hey, here I am with the Nothing Ear 1 and the Nothing Ear 2, and let's find out if we can actually change this earbud. So I mean put ear 2 into the ear 1 case and ear 1 into the ear 2 case. So let's do this. Let's see if we can actually pair the devices with smartphone, for example. I'm just going to show you that it's actually really ear 2. There we go, as you can see, Nothing Ear 2. And right here I've got the Nothing Ear 1. There we go. So now let's close both cases. And now let's open it and let's see if it actually goes into the pairing mode. The indicator turns white. So I'm gonna open the Bluetooth list. And as you can see, it looks like they are actually available on the list. So let's try to pair them. Okay, we are connected. So it looks like the case of the Nothing Ear 2 works with the Nothing Ear 1. But let's check if the case of the Nothing Ear 1 works with the Nothing Ear 2. So I'm gonna actually forget this connection. There we go. Let's click on this pairing button. Okay, but it looks like nothing is actually happening. So it looks like the case of the Nothing Ear 1, it's not supporting the Ear 2. So yeah, this is it for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.